Hello everybody and welcome back to our latest episode of Tom Talks. I'm Tom with Crandall and Associates Insurance Agency and we're here to talk about all things insurance. Today I am going to talk about electrical panels in homes. And it is a little bit of a switch from what we normally talk about. We kind of mainly focus on commercial, but the reason I wanted to talk about this is because there are some electrical panels out there that have been known to be prone to shorting out or overheating and causing fires in homes. And this all came about probably around like 10 years ago, and some carriers have started saying that they're not going to accept any homes with these breaker boxes in them. And so as time moves on, more and more carriers start developing and using that, because in insurance, once one carrier starts doing something, the rest typically tend to follow suit pretty shortly thereafter. So most of these electrical panels were mainly in homes between like anytime before the 1990s, or sometimes during. If your home was built in the 2000s, you're probably okay, but it might be better off to check. And I even discovered this because we were having our dishwasher replaced and they were like, "Where's the electrical panel?" And I was like, "Oh, it's over here." And I looked at it and I was like, wow, that is the one of them that can cause fires. And I've been living in that house for 5 years. So this video is really as your FYI to go out, check your electrical panel, and if they were made by Federal Pacific Electric, which includes their stab lock breakers, Zinco, which was then rebranded to Sylvania back in the day, and also Challenger is another manufacturer of, or previous manufacturer I should say, of electrical panels that were put in homes mainly within the 60s to the 90s. Also to some type of wiring like split bus electrical panels as well as fuse boxes are definitely also those that can cause some fires, but you typically do not see those in homes anymore. So here again, just a friendly reminder, go check your electrical panel. If they're in any of those four manufacturers, talk to an electrician, see how much it would cost to replace them and start saving up to replace those. I know that's not fun to do ever, but from our experience and what we have seen with some of our clients, dealing with a fire claim is never fun. So take a small amount of time, go check it out, make sure you and your family are safe, and we'll see you next time.